What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the best Webtoon promotion codes for the month of October. So if you want to get the best promotion codes, make sure that you follow the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe button so that you can be motivated to make such videos more and more. So I'm gonna show you the best promotion codes for the Webtoon for the month of October. Here you guys can see that this is the list of the promotion codes right over here. So you can use these codes. You can pause the video and see these codes in depth and use them. For example, here you can see that code. This code gives you up to 50% off on the Webtoon. And if I swipe it down, you will see different sort of codes right here. If I zoom out like this, you will be able to see more codes in one frame. So that's how it goes. So the next step is how you can apply the code. So for that, go to your application, like here, go to the coin shop. In the coin shop, when you swipe down, you will see the promotion code option. In the promotion code option, all you have to do is to type in the code that I have just shown you. For example, just copy this code and paste it in this section right over here, which says Charlie Intel, and then apply the code. That way you will be able to redeem the promotion code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way we will be motivated to make such videos more and more. Take care. Bye bye.